Hello, I'm Marty Silver. I'm a senior mechanical engineer at WFT Engineering in Rockville, Maryland. I specialize in HVAC system design and provide related consulting services, predominantly in the commercial market sector. I'm going to spend a few minutes introducing you to bipolar ionization, which is a method that's being used to combat COVID-19 as well as other indoor airborne pollutants. According to the EPA, roughly 50% of global illness is caused by indoor air pollution. We spend nearly 90% of our lives in the built environment, much of which is in buildings that are heavily populated and conditioned by air distribution systems. Illness-causing airborne pollutants spread through the building by these systems include COVID-19, all other viruses, bacteria, allergens, and cancer-causing VOCs. The best strategy for ridding the airstream of these pollutants is to provide efficient air filtration in conjunction with pollutant-destroying air treatment. MERV 13 or higher air filters inside of air handling units will effectively remove particles as small as 0.3 microns in diameter. Smaller pollutants, including COVID-19, that pass through the filters need to be combated by other means. Three such methods for doing this include ultraviolet light, or UVC, a process known as photocatalytic oxidation, and bipolar ionization, or simply BPI. BPI systems utilize low wattage glass ionization tubes that are inserted directly into the airstream. Applied alternating current to the electrodes of these tubes creates an ionization field around the tubes, resulting in a supply air stream of positive and negative ions that purify the air in three ways. The first is by sterilization. Take COVID-19. Positive hydrogen and negative oxygen ions combine to form what are called OH radicals, or hydroxyl radicals. These OH radicals cluster on those protein spikes that stick out of the COVID membrane. Each OH radical will actually steal one hydrogen, one H atom, from the membrane, combine to form H2O, water, and break away from the structure, leaving holes in the membrane. The virus is thereby destroyed on a molecular level, making it incapable of causing infection. The second method is called agglomeration. This is where oppositely charged small ions, such as dust and the pollutants I mentioned before, combine to form larger particles, larger, heavier particles that can actually be filtered out by the air handling units or simply drop to the floor out of the breathing zone. Third is oxidation. Bipolar ions surround VOCs, breaking down their hydrocarbon chains and reducing these complex compounds to immeasurable amounts of CO2 and water. BPI systems are available in a wide variety of sizes for locations inside air handling units, main supply ducts, in ducts downstream, smaller ducts downstream of VAV terminal units, and even inside fan coil units. BPI systems can be installed in existing buildings as easily as in new construction. Most impressively, these systems can destroy 99% of airstream microbes in a matter of minutes. Another point worth noting is that ASHRAE 62.1, the ventilation standard that most building codes enforce, allow a substantial reduction in required outdoor air due to the improved indoor air quality, and this results in significant energy cost savings. So to conclude, if you're seeking to provide a healthy indoor environment, bipolar systems may be a good fit for your project. Thank you for your time, be safe, and stay well.